Yes.
All right. Today we're going to do Unit 6, Lesson 5. Unit 6, Lesson 5. And in this lesson today, we are going to blend, of course. We're also going to talk about our letter names, okay? And we are going to read a story out of our skills reader today. Okay? Does that sound good? All right, let's get started. Yes, but let's not get it out right now. We got other things to do. Okay, here we go. D. Bad. Good. D. Band. Good. Next one. D. Land. Good. Next one. D. Let's do it again. Land. Good. Next one. Woo. You're gonna have to listen close to this one, okay? Land. Good. You guys listen carefully on that one. Great. All right. Next one. Swim. Good. Next one. Jump. Jump. Good. Next one. Trip. Good. Next one. Skip. Good. And last one. Lamp. Good. Excellent. All right. So that was our blending for today. You guys are getting a lot better at blending those words that have 4 and 5 sounds. Like I said, it's just going to take some practice, right?
So we can get readers.
Right. You already are readers. You're just getting better. Okay?
Better.
All right. Let's go over our sounds. Emma, I need you to pay attention. All right. Everybody should have their masks on. Where is my pointer? Oh, here he is. Okay. Let's review them. We're just going to do the sound, okay? Oh, what is this? Oh, wait a minute. This is. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Good. Now, really quick, I want to go back. Let me see if I can go back. Yeah. Really quick, the past 2 lessons, we've learned that not only does this S make the S sound, but it also can make the what? Yes, it also can make the, and that makes it a little tricky, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Okay. Now, let's go over these letter names. Now, letter names are the actual names of the letters, right? So, we're not really talking about the sounds here, are we? No. And a lot of you already know these letter names. Before we sing our song, let's say them. Okay? Are we going to sing this or say it? Say it. Here we go. A. you real quick. I'm gonna point to a letter and I want y'all to tell me it really quick. You ready? Ooh. Yay! Great job. Super fantastic job. All right, so let's see. Now, I want you to tell me with a thumbs up if it's yes and a thumbs down if it's no. So, I'm going to call on somebody and I want you to tell me that letter name. If they have it right, I want to see your thumb up. If they have it wrong, I want to see your thumb down. You ready? Okay. Piper. J. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. This is the letter what? J. Good. Good, good, good. Shaylin. E. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, thumbs up. Fantastic. Rosie. T. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Good job. All right, that was easy peasy, wasn't it? All right, so now we're going to get ready for to read out of our skills book. Before we pull out our skills books, though, okay? Don't pull them out yet, okay? I want to go over a new vocabulary word that you are going to see in this story, okay? We're going to blend it, and then I'm going to tell you what it is. And once we blend it and figure out what it is, as we're reading the story, we really shouldn't have to stop and blend it in our story, right? Am I right? Okay, let's blend it. Here we go. Laugh. Good. Now, do you remember our little chant for laughing lion? Good. Okay. So if it's laughing lion, what does laughing mean?
You're laughing with your tongue in the water.
Right. He's like drinking, right? Or she, right? So that is what this lap means. To drink a liquid by scooping it up with the tongue. Is that right? Yeah, that's like laughing kitty, isn't it? Now this word isn't laughing. This word is just laugh. Okay? Got it? All right. So now what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to pull out your Skills 6 reader. And I would like for you, yes ma'am? Yes. I would like for you to turn to the table of contents. All right, so a lot of you are already on KitKat, that's fine. So what we will start doing is instead of turning directly to the story, I would like next time for us to talk about the table of contents. Remember the table of contents? Okay, and remember that the table of contents is where you find the page number of the story that we're going to read. Okay? So, what is the page number of the story we're going to read today? Yes, but what is the page number? 33. That's right, 33. And where can we find that page number? On the bottom. You are exactly right. On the bottom of the page. All right, today we're going to read this story about Kit's cats. And I want you to pay special attention to what kinds of things Kit's cats do in the story. Okay? Today, how we're going to read this is we're going to echo read. And so what I mean by echo read is I'll read, then you read. What should our fingers be doing? Pointing to what? The words. Should they just be pointing to the words, or should they be pointing to the words as we're reading it? That's right. Let's exercise our finger to get it ready. Ready? Up, down, up, down. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Up,
Down. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
good job. Okay. And instead of using my finger, I'm going to use my pointer so everybody can see a little bit better. I'm not standing in it. Yes, Jen. All right, here we go. You ready? Kit. Oh, wait a minute. Before we start, why is this S so much darker? Right. Remember I told you that it's going to make the S's darker when it makes the Z sound. Remember I told you that yesterday? Okay. And what kind of letter does our sentence start with?
Uppercase.
An uppercase. And what are our sentences in with?
A period.
A period. Good. A period is a kind of a punctuation mark. Okay? All right. Kit has cats. Everybody.
Kit has cats.
Good job. I need to see your finger on the chart as we read it. Okay? Kit's cats run fast. Here we go. Good job. Kit's cats lap up milk.
Kit's cats lap up milk.
Good. Ooh, this is long. Kit's cats jump up on Kit's bed. Here we go.
Kit's cats jump up on Kit's bed.
That was a long sentence, wasn't it? All right, now I'm going to ask you some questions about this story. And when you answer, I want you to make sure that you answer in a complete what? Right. Make sure that you answer in a complete sentence. What kind of pets does Kit have? Great job. Good job. How do Kit's cats run?
Kit's cat runs fast.
Very good. What do Kit's cats lap up?
Milk.
Can you tell me a sentence?
Kit's cat lap up milk.
Perfect. Who jumps on Kit's bed?
Jump on Kit's bed.
Excellent. What is the setting of the story?
got the story is it and the hats.
Okay. Remember, setting is where the story takes place, right?
Yeah.
Where. So, what is the setting of the story?
In her house.
In her house. Can you be a little bit more specific?
It had hats in her house.
Yes. Now, it didn't tell us specifically where the setting was, did it? No, but we could find out where the setting was by looking at the pictures, couldn't we? Okay, so let's go back in our book and let's look at the picture. So that really doesn't tell us where, that really doesn't tell us where the setting is, does it?
Yeah.
No, it does not tell us where the setting is. However, you can kind of see the cat ladder there, and you can kind of infer that it's in her house, right? This really doesn't tell us, the picture doesn't tell us where the setting is, does it? No.
The word.
Does this tell us where the setting is?
Yeah.
No, not really. But let's look at this picture.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where does Kit Kat jump?
On bed.
On the bed. Now, her bed is in her house, right? But could you be a little bit more specific? Where at in her house?
In her room.
In her room. That's right. Would that be a better answer for where is or what is the setting? Yes, probably so. All right, good. And that question is a little hard. It's called inferring, which you guys will learn about later. But inferring is when you take all the information you know and come up with the answer. It's not always going to be right there in the text. Okay? All right. Good. All right. So, today, boys and girls, we talked about some letter names. We also did some blending, and we read in our Skills 6 reader, right? Yes, we did. Okay. All right. Online. We do not have a skills worksheet today. All we have is our homework. Okay. If we have ice tomorrow and Friday, there will not be a recording. However, I will put some work online, some alternative work online for you to do. All right. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow, but if not, I'll see you when we get back from the ice.